Welcome to the future of driving exhilaration. Say hello to the all-new 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, Mazda's revolutionary reimagination of their iconic roadster. This beauty is lighter, faster, and smarter, making it the ultimate driving companion for enthusiasts across America. With an upgraded Skyactiv engine delivering improved performance and fuel efficiency, the Miata is built for speed and sustainability. But that's not all. Mazda's engineers have introduced something game-changing: kinematic posture control. That's right. Kinematic posture control enhances cornering stability like never before, giving you the confidence to push your limits on any road. It's as if the Miata reads your mind, turning every drive into an unforgettable adventure. And inside? A refreshed, minimalist design with cutting-edge infotainment, seamless smartphone integration, and an improved manual transmission that delivers that perfect shift every time. It's all about putting you in control. So, what are you waiting for? The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is more than a car. It's a statement, a legacy, a revolution. Are you ready to feel the road like never before? If you love cars, freedom, and the pure joy of driving, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us as we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. See you on the road.